Alright, let's look at this example where we have to purify this particular mixed state. We can see certainly that this is a valid density matrix here. It satisfies the condition of summation I Pi I. You can see 0 0 then 1 1 and the summation of this Pi gives 1, 0.64 to 0.64 plus 0.36 giving 1. Alright, now how to purify it? We'll follow the same procedure, okay, as we discussed recently. So this is our system A. Okay. Now we have to design a system of a composite system by taking the reference system R in a certain basis or in a certain state space, which is the same state space in which this row is diagonalized, and this row is diagonal in this computational space. So our this would be 0.6400 plus 0.3611. I would just like to repeat here, why did I do this? I do this because as per the formalism, rho A was summation I Pi Ai, right? And the pure state that I took was summation over I Pi under root then Ai Ri, right? So this Ai same. So this is the reason I take 0 0, okay, because this is going to be the same basis, the I index, alright, and then 0.36 square root because this is getting the square root of the above one, Pi, alright. So this is the pure state that represents this mixed state, or if we can purify this particular mixed state to this pure state. How do we know this is a pure state now? Let's check. If it is a pure state, then definitely the density matrix, the square of the density matrix should give a trace of 1. So if I am claiming this to be a pure state constructed from this mixed state, then the trace of the row square of this matrix AR should give me a 1. Let's just check it and then we will be convinced that this is indeed the purified state of the particular mixed state. Okay, so we will need the density matrix rho AR, right? Rho AR would be AR cat AR bra. So this is going to be 0.640000 plus 0.361111 plus this 2 multiplied and then for 0011 and the same coefficients multiplied and giving me a 1100. Alright, and 0.64 and 0.36 if you multiply, it would become 0.48. 0.48, 0.48. Alright, now, so this is the following matrix: 0.64 here, 0 0, 0.36 here, sorry, 0.48 here, 0.48 here, 0 0, 0 0 0 0, 0 0 0 0 and 0.36 here. Okay, so this is rho AR. Alright, what's next? We have to calculate the row square of it, right? So we have to square it. So the square of it would be its multiplication with itself 0.64, 0.48, 0.48, and 0.48, 0.36. And this particular matrix, as in the multiplication of these two, turns out to be the following. It turns out to be 0.64 square plus 0.48 square. You could multiply this. 0.64 square, 0.48 square, then 0, 0, and this element comes out to be 0. Okay, let me write in big fonts. So let me clear up some space here. What should I erase? Okay, let me erase this thing. So the result of this multiplication here, rho AR square is 0.64 square plus 0.48 square, 0, 0, 0.64, 0.48 plus 0.48, 0.36, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and the last row becomes, this thing is exactly here again, 0.68, 0.48, 0.64 plus 0.64 into 0.48 plus 0.48 into 0.64, 0, 0, and these two are same. So 0.48 square plus 0.36 square. Alright, we don't need this one anymore. So let's erase it. Now, this is our rho AR square, and we know to check the purity of a state, we have to take the trace square of the row square of the matrix, and this thing is 0.64 square, 0.48 square plus 0.48 square plus 0.36 square, and if your math is good enough, then you would find it to be 1. Alright, so then exactly the rho AR that we had constructed as 0.6400 plus 0.3611 represents the purified state of this particular mixture. Okay, so constructing is pretty simple, but then verifying takes a bit of time. But nevertheless, we have already verified it in the theoretical proof of it in the last video that we discussed. So it's gonna work. All you need is just look at the state, particular mixed state, and see in which basis it is diagonalized, in which basis it looks diagonal, and then with the same basis you represent pure state by taking a reference system and choose your coefficients as the square root of that mixed state. The square root of the coefficient of the mixed state. Alright. So this is how we particularly purify a mixed state and get a pure state out of it.